How to make 100K as a coach. Let's see this together. Hey, I did my first 100K. Within the first 3 years, I started working full-time as a life coach back in 2020. How did I do that? I was so happy. I had my coaching certification. I had studied with the best professors in the world. And what I did immediately is to put myself out there. I let everybody know that I was a life coach, and I want to invite you to do the same. Offer complimentary sessions to everybody you literally know. I will never forget that I was doing about 10 complimentary sessions per day. I grabbed people that I knew from each of every companies I had worked with, and I told them, you know what? I do life coaching. Come with me and find out what exactly this thing is, because of course then almost no one knew what life coaching was. Stop hiding behind the keyboard. I want to invite you to go out there to events, conferences, and places where your clients are. And if you're not clear where your clients are, that's okay again. Your clients are going to find you and come to you, but you have to be out there among other people. Another thing that I was doing, I was writing 2 articles per week. And that, my beautiful friend, is quite tough, especially if you're doing it for over 3 to 4 years that I was doing it. 2 articles per week, because I was writing in 2 of the biggest websites that existed during that time. And actually, this really helped me to build my mailing list. And I was doing 1 free event per month. Sometimes my free events had 5 people, sometimes my free events had 100 people. So I actually did not care. Where did I get this strength, this confidence? I got it from my mentor, Jack Canfield. When I asked him, I was like, Jack, I really want to bring my life coaching uniqueness out of this world and help people to take their lives to the next level. And he actually told me that I had to contact everybody that I knew and let them know what I was doing and actually be out there constantly. Now, I was planning and I was doing 1 paying workshop per month. My paying workshops ranged from 4 participants to 30, okay? So actually, I did not care. I was okay even with the 4 participants or the 30 ones. Why? Because I knew that the people who had to be there, they were there. And I trusted the universe that everything would work out. I had built this huge confidence into what I was offering, and I knew that I would be successful. I was paying for my business coach more than I was paying myself. And I'll never forget that the first time that I was crying so hard because I was actually paying my business coach more than I was paying myself. I urge you to do the same thing with me. Invest in the best business coach who has achieved what you want to achieve, and you feel the connection. You will get this money back tenfold. And finally, my beautiful friend, my advice to you is to hustle. Get out there and just get the signs from the universe. The universe will always direct you where you need to be, but you have to be able to listen and see actually. Now, if you have achieved your 100K, let me know what have you done. If you haven't, let me know which is the first action point you will do from everything that I shared with you. My beautiful friend, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and share it with anyone that you believe might be of service to. My team and myself were doing a very hard job in order to bring every Friday this video to you. So I'm looking forward to seeing you next Friday.